If you've stayed at a True by Hilton before, you'll probably know pretty much exactly what to expect here. And the True by Hilton Austin Northwest in Texas follows the brand's standardized concept almost perfectly. It's modern and simple. So of course the room comes in this clean and basic design. One feature I always appreciate at True hotels is the hard flooring instead of carpet. To me, it simply feels more hygienic. The bathroom follows the same minimalistic approach. You get a clean walk-in shower with a glass door and very little unnecessary decoration. So it's not luxurious, but it's functional, it's clean, and in my opinion perfectly suited for a short stay. Talking about cleanliness, the, let's call it, highlight of my room, however, was the desk chair. Because right on the front edge of the seat was a suspicious white stain. I'll let you decide what it was, but when I posted the photo on Reddit, the comments were pretty clear. Apparently it was not a milkshake, but I guess we'll never know for sure. Fortunately, the rest of the hotel left a much better impression. The public areas clearly show that True is targeting a younger audience. Everything is a bit more colorful, there are plenty of different seating options, a pool table, and even boards with recommendations for local restaurants and things to do around Austin. One detail I particularly enjoy about True hotels is that, despite being highly standardized, they usually include at least one local design element. And it's usually a large comic-style mural on one of the walls in the lobby. In this case, it features some of Austin's most recognizable landmarks, including the Texas State Capitol and the 360 Bridge. The fitness center is fairly small but well equipped, offering everything you need for a decent workout. Breakfast is exactly what you'd expect from True by Hilton. A buffet with both hot and cold options, nothing particularly fancy, but a solid selection that gets the job done. Unfortunately, breakfast is served entirely on disposable plates with disposable cutlery. And somehow they manage to make it even worse by individually wrapping disposable cups in plastic. That's simply unnecessary, and in my opinion something that should be improved. Overall, the True by Hilton Austin Northwest delivers exactly what the brand promises. A modern, affordable hotel with a clean design, a fun atmosphere, and a few local touches that give it a bit more character. Just maybe inspect the desk chair before you sit down. If you're interested in more hotel reviews, check out the 2 videos on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one again.